Look at it. That's the boat we are on. There. All blue there, all blue. That's another bridge. People walk. There's a car going in there too. I didn't know I purchased a guided tour, but it looks like I did. So there's a Niagara Falls tour company. That's why I bought the guided tour. I am in the American side of the Niagara Falls. I just got this ticket. This is about 2 hours tour. So we're gonna go around and see things. I'm glad I did, really. Thank you so much. We'll show more Niagara Falls, the American side of it. So this is the Niagara Falls State Park. Some of the map here. This is the Goat Island. That's the bridge and stuff.
There might be a little bit of a lineup once we get in there. Now it's gonna look really intimidating, but they do move it very quickly if we all work very hard, all right? Now.
I thought I led the work.
Never. Now, once we get down to the Maid of the Mist, I'm going to do my darndest. We're going to, after the boat ride, check out the observation deck. The long tour will take about 3 to 4 hours. We're going to see all 3 waterfalls from that Maid of the Mist boat ride today. We're going to have a lot of fun. And if you have any questions as we get going, my name is Sherry. It's probably less crowded this way.
It's a big line I see over there. We are on a guided tour, so she's going to take us there. Look at the line over there. Huge line.
I've definitely seen.
This is the park, so beautiful park. So we start from here.
Alrighty, my group. Right, be aggressive, be mean.
Thank you.
And if you can't do it, let me know and I'll do it.
So start your voice here, that's what they're saying. So we are going inside. I see some zigzag around here too. She's saying it takes about 3 to 4 hours on the line for the American side of the Maid of the Mist booking. The line, some people are just going there.
Once we get to the ticket window, I'm going to hand you your ticket. Do not lose your ticket. If you lose your ticket, you will be climbing on and
There you go, that's our line. And that's a bridge over there. Over there. So this is the American side fall. That's the Canadian side of the falls. There you go. Our group is that.
just shortly into the elevator to get down to the bottom. If you would like to be separated from your family, maybe your mom, and you can make that happen for you, okay? Just let me know.
The Canadian side of it, that's the bridge over there. All right, we are in the elevator now. Chinu, we are getting down.
500 feet per minute.
It is 500 stairs.
Guests with wheelchairs or strollers, if you are not taking the boat tour, please go to your left at the bottom of the stairs.
We're the last person to get out. There you go. We're going towards the boat. There you go. We are out now. All right. It looks like we're the next. That's the American boat.
Okay, I'm about to get you guys down on that boat ride. That's where you want. Okay. Best spot on the boat, bottom front. Okay. Okay.
You don't want to get wet.
Finished. You guys, I will meet you next to that dress.
I see. You don't want to get wet. So we're gonna get a raincoat now here and get the blue raincoat. Like yesterday, I had the red raincoat. Today is the blue one.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
We are getting on the boat now here. This is the American side of the boat. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my. Everybody's going inside. Got it? Right there. This is the back side of it. The back side of it. There you go. We got on the boat now. Okay, we are on American boat now. Here now, look at it. Everybody wearing green. Look at it. There you go. That's the American side of the thing. And there's the going. That's the observation thing, and that goes there. It's going on over there, right there.
It's like a parrot, you know what I mean?
There you go. That's the Canadian side. That's getting some mist already. We are getting the mist. You can feel the mist. Yes. Look at this. Water down there. Just so beautiful. Wow. There you go. That's the American side of it. Canadian side over there. Bottom of the thing over there. There is a Canadian side of the Niagara Falls. We are going to go inside of it. Yes. এত সুন্দর দেখতে ও আপনি অনেক খুশি হবেন দেখলে আপনার মন ভরে যাবে জাস্ট যখন এখানে আসবেন দেখবেন এত সুন্দর ঝর্ণা পড়তেছে যে এর কোনো দ্বিতীয় কিছু নাই ওকে লুক অ্যাট দিস ইট ইজ সো বিউটিফুল আমরা অনেক ভিজে যাচ্ছি এত ভিজে যাচ্ছি ভিতরে প্রবেশ করার সময় ভিজে যাচ্ছি যাতে দেখেন দেখেন কি সুন্দর ওকে yes yes look at it we are inside the Niagara Falls we are going to the জলপ্রপাত আমরা নাইগারা ফলের ভিতরে ঢুকতে হবে এখন এখানে অনেক বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে এটা এত বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে yes look at it both sides it's going like it's so much wave এটা আমাদের ভিতরে নিয়ে গেছে অলমোস্ট সব জায়গায় চলে গেছি দেখেন কত সুন্দর বিউটিফুল I can't see anything because it's so wet and yeah, bottom there is looking beautiful yes one of a kind yeah look at it yes এত সুন্দর জিনিস আপনারা আইসেন জীবনে একবার দেখা উচিত এইগুলো দেখে ওকে so beautiful yeah look at me how wet I am there you go we are going underneath the fall going inside more and more it's so beautiful it is a one of a kind you must see it is a breathtaking spectacular thing it's going in and I don't know how long it's gonna go on but we are having fun the water is all over on us there you go everybody's got the water there you go that way this way now it's turning around it's going to the we've done our damage everybody got wet everybody got their own share of the water so we had so much fun. There is the Canadian side of the Niagara Falls. There is the Canadian side. We're looking at it. We're going to go inside. Oh, সুন্দর দেখতে আপনি অনেক খুশি হবেন দেখতে মন হয়ে যাবে যে এর কোনো দ্বিতীয় কিছু না look at this it is so beautiful আমরা অনেক ভিজে যাচ্ছি এত ভিজে যাচ্ছি ভিতরে সবাই ভিজে যাচ্ছি yes look at it we are inside the falls we are inside the Niagara Falls we are going to the জলপ্রপাত আমরা নাইগারা ফলের ভিতরে ঢুকতে হবে এখানে অনেক look at it look down it's going like so much wave এটা আমাদের ভিতরে নিয়ে গেছে অলমোস্ট সব চলে গেছি I guess Okay, we just went inside the fall. We just got to wait. There you go. That's the Canadian side of the fall. We just got into there, right there. We're going for there now. There. He's on the bridge over there. That's how we started. Look at all those blue. All those blue. Look at it. There. They're going inside now. They're going inside the boat. That's how we went. And then out at the front. So we just got off the boat. Now we're on our way out. There you go. That's the boat we are in.
We've seen other daredevils go over other waterfalls in barrels, but nobody ever lived at Niagara. She thinks I'm better than these people.
We are waiting on our elevator. It's a long line. There's two Canadian ship, all the red. Bridge over there. Get some pictures. Look at the balloon is going up there. The Canada other side, the casino, Sheraton. They say I was there yesterday. The balloon is right there. That you can ride the balloon also if you want to. Then that way you can see on the top of the fall. Then another one right there. A Canadian side, all red. Look at the all red. I am on the observation deck. That's the Canadian side of the fall, and this is the American side of the fall. Get it? So everybody is on the deck. They're looking at it. So they're telling me get the heck out of here now. So I'm going. Okay. This is American side of the fall. There you go. So beautiful. Get it? The boat. This is the Canadian side of the people docking the boat. There you go. The American boat is coming. American boat coming. All blue. All blue. There you go. And over there is the Canadian boat is right below the there. The Canada side. Look at it. Canada over there. And I'm gonna go the other side. People are posing. I'm taking this video from the observation deck. All right, I'm on my way to get out from here so I can the fall right closer to the fall, and all of a sudden it finds a big drop right here. That big drop right here. All right, I'm done with my Niagara Falls. Beautiful flower, the wildflower thing. Right over there, you can see things fall over there, right next to it. This is the American side of it. There you go. It comes from there. That is the comes there and drop right there. Right over there. Look at it. The water is dropping. I'm right next to where the water drops. Thank you for watching my video from Niagara Falls. Reza on the Journey.